Sometimes a meal isn't just about feeding your stomach, it's about simplicity, speed, and that perfect hit of flavor. And when time is short, millions of people around the world turn to the ultimate comfort food: instant noodles. Instant noodles are a $57.4 billion industry as of 2023 and are projected to cross $90 billion by 2032. But what's behind this global phenomenon? From the brilliance of their invention to the engineering marvels that make them, let's unravel the story of instant noodles. To truly appreciate instant noodles, we need to travel back to post-World War II Japan. The nation was grappling with food shortages, and long queues for ramen bowls were a daily reality. Enter Momofuku Ando, a visionary entrepreneur with a simple yet revolutionary idea: create a fast, affordable, and long-lasting meal that could alleviate hunger. In 1958, Ando introduced chicken ramen, the first ever instant noodles. His breakthrough came from flash frying noodles, extending their shelf life without sacrificing flavor. But Ando didn't stop there. In 1971, he launched the now iconic cup noodles, transforming instant noodles into a portable, hassle-free meal. Just add boiling water and wait. Genius. The appeal of instant noodles quickly spread beyond Japan. Their affordability and convenience made them a favorite from Asia to Africa, Europe to the Americas. Today, South Korea leads in per capita consumption, while China and Indonesia dominate total sales. But whether you like them spicy, soupy, or stir-fried, instant noodles have found a place in nearly every culture. So, what makes instant noodles so instant? It's all about science and engineering. Let's dive into the fascinating production process. It all starts with wheat flour, salt, and starch. These dry ingredients are combined in massive industrial mixers. Where water is added to create a perfectly elastic dough. Resting the dough for 30 minutes helps develop its structure, critical for that chewy texture. The rested dough is rolled into thin sheets. Then passed through slitting machines that slice it into noodle strands. These strands are given their signature wavy shape, a design that makes them easier to pack and cook evenly. Next, the noodles are steamed to partially cook them. This process gelatinizes the starch, ensuring the noodles have the ideal texture when rehydrated. Here's where instant noodles split into two main types: fried and non-fried. For fried noodles, they're quickly deep-fried in oil at 150 degrees Celsius, creating that crispy block we recognize. Non-fried noodles, on the other hand, are dried with hot air over 40–60 minutes. Now comes the flavor magic. Seasoning packets, which might include soup bases, spices, and dehydrated vegetables, are prepared separately. Once the noodles are cooled, they're paired with these packets and packaged into cups, wrappers, or family packs. Every batch undergoes rigorous testing, from taste and texture to microbiological safety. Only the best make it to your pantry. Automation and human inspectors work together to maintain consistency. Instant noodles are more than just a quick meal. They've played a crucial role in disaster relief efforts, providing sustenance during emergencies. Their long shelf life and easy preparation make them invaluable in times of crisis. According to the World Instant Noodles Association, they could even help combat global hunger by offering a cost-effective, nutrient-enriched option for those in need. And now, the answer to our quiz. The country that consumes the most instant noodles per capita is South Korea. On average, a South Korean consumes over 70 servings annually, a testament to their love for this quick and flavorful dish.
The merits of ramen compared to other foods are the fact that I can eat it comfortably, anywhere, and it guarantees above average taste wherever I go.
Rather than getting mental stress, I think it is a better way to sometimes eat ramen to appease my appetite. If I pay too much attention to the negative aspects of ramen, then I get stressed.
From a post-war invention to a global kitchen staple, instant noodles embody innovation at its best. They're quick, delicious, and have become a cultural icon. Thanks for watching Curious Constructs, where we uncover the incredible processes behind the things you use every day. Hit the subscribe button, click the bell, and as always, stay curious.